In today's video, we're going to talk about how to run TikTok live shopping events to boost sales. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever wondered how some brands and creators are turning TikTok views into actual sales, this is one of the most powerful ways to do it. The truth is, TikTok is no longer just about funny videos or trending dances. It's quickly becoming a serious shopping platform. Live shopping gives you the chance to connect with your audience in real time, showcase your products, and of course, drive sales, all without your customers ever leaving the app. And today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how it works, what you need to get started, and whether or not it's worth your time. What TikTok live shopping is. So TikTok live shopping is basically a way to bring your store into a live video. Think of it like the old school QVC or home shopping network, but instead of people flipping channels on TV, they're scrolling through TikTok. When they land on your live, they can see your products displayed right on the screen. They can ask questions in the comments and purchase instantly. They don't need to leave TikTok or remember your website URL. It all happens right there inside the app. This matters because in marketing, every extra click usually means fewer sales. If someone has to click out, load a site, and then type in their info, most of them are just going to give up. With live shopping, that friction is gone. People can make the decision in the moment while their excitement is still high. And for creators or small business owners, it levels the playing field. You don't need a huge marketing budget to make sales. You just need your product and the ability to connect with people authentically. Key features of TikTok live shopping. Now let's break down the main features that make TikTok live shopping so useful. Number one is product pinning. During your live, you can pin a product on screen so it's always visible. Imagine you're selling jewelry. You can hold up a necklace and talk about the details and pin it so viewers can tap and buy immediately. It keeps the focus on what you're showcasing. Number two is real-time engagement. This is the part that makes live shopping pretty special. The chat is right there alongside your video, which means you can answer questions instantly. If someone asks, does that shirt come in other colors? You can add a response in real time and even show them. That kind of back and forth is what turns viewers into buyers because they feel seen and heard. Number three is product catalog integration. Before you go live, you can upload your full product catalog to TikTok Shop. Once you're live, you can pull from that catalog seamlessly. No more scrambling or dropping links in the comments. Everything is already built in and connected. Number four, on-screen shopping bag. Another really cool detail is the shopping bag icon viewers see during your live. They can browse all the products you've linked while still watching you. That way, if you're talking about multiple items, they can actually explore them at their own pace. Number five, analytics and reporting. After your live ends, TikTok gives you detailed insights. So you'll see how many people watched, how long they stayed, and which product got the most clicks, and how many sales you've made. This data is so valuable because you can adjust your next live based on what worked and what didn't. Number six is the replay option. Depending on how you set it up, your live can actually be replayed later. That means even if someone missed it, they can still watch it and shop afterwards. It extends the life of your event beyond just the live moment. Now let's dive into the pros and cons of TikTok live shopping. There are definitely a lot of positives here, but let's talk about the ones that really matter. So number one is high conversion rate. Because everything happens in app, you're cutting down the steps between someone watching and someone buying. That alone increases the chances of closing a sale. Number two, trust and transparency. Seeing you live, holding the product, talking about it, even answering unplanned questions, this builds trust, and trust leads to sales. Number three is algorithm boost. TikTok favors lives and live shopping streams. They often push them to new audiences, which means you're not just selling to your followers, you're also being discovered by people who have never seen your content before. Number four is immediate feedback. You'll know in real time which products people get excited about. If you hold up one item and the chat lights up with questions, you've definitely identified a winner. Number five is community and connection. It's not just about transactions. Live shopping gives you a chance to connect with your community, answer questions, and make the viewers feel like they're insiders. That really builds long-term loyalty. Now for the cons. So let's be real, nothing is perfect, and this definitely isn't either. There are some challenges as well. Number one is setup and preparation. You can't just roll out of bed and hit go live. You need good lighting, a decent camera angle, and a plan for what products you'll feature. Without that, your live will feel pretty messy. Number two, smaller audiences at first. If you don't already have a strong TikTok following, your first few lives might feel quiet. That's totally normal. Building momentum takes time. Don't get discouraged so the first event only brings in a few sales. Number three, pressure of going live. Being on camera live can feel intimidating, especially at first. So if you do get nervous, you might stumble. But the good news is that TikTok audiences don't expect perfection. They value authenticity so much more than polish. Number 4 is limited control over platform. At the end of the day, TikTok owns the platform. That means features, fees, or rules can change and you'll need to adapt quickly. Now, let's talk about pricing. So TikTok doesn't charge you to host live shopping events. There are no upfront fees to use the feature. Instead, they just take a small commission on the sales you make through TikTok Shop. The exact commission depends on your product category. The important thing here is that you're only paying when you actually make a sale. This makes it low risk and easy to test. You don't need a huge advertising budget, and you don't have to commit to a long-term contract. You can run one event, see how it goes, and then decide if it's worth repeating. Now, if you want to get started with TikTok Shop, we do have a link down in the description below. With our link, you actually have a chance to get 50% off referral fees for 30 days, and you can earn up to $1,000 in commissions. To actually join TikTok Shop, you'll want to enter in your phone number or email. You also can sign up with TikTok or TikTok for Business, or even Google. If you want more information on live shopping, we'll go ahead and go to creator and then live shopping. Then you can go ahead and check it out. So just as a side note, to qualify, you do need to meet their community guidelines. You need to be at least 18 years or older, and you need to meet the amount of required followers. So should you try TikTok live shopping? If you're selling a product that's visual, demo friendly, or benefits from explanation, TikTok live shopping is absolutely worth testing out. Even small creators are finding success because the platform rewards interaction and authenticity. If you're not comfortable on camera yet, or your product isn't one people need to see live, you might start by listing products in TikTok Shop first, and then move into live events once you're ready. Either way, if you want to get started and set up your TikTok Shop correctly, I highly recommend checking out the link down in the description below. It'll guide you through the process of getting approved so you can get started selling right away. Now, before we wrap up, I do just want to dive into a few tips for running a successful TikTok live shopping event. Running a TikTok live shopping event can be one of the fastest ways to connect directly with your audience, showcase your products in real time, and generate sales on the spot. But like anything, success comes down to strategy and preparation. Here are some detailed tips to help you host an engaging, profitable event. Number 1 is plan ahead. Don't go live without a clear plan. Make a list of the products you'll feature and decide the order you'll present them in. Think of it like a show lineup. Your most exciting or best-selling product should go first to hook people in right away. Also, anticipate questions your viewers may ask. Write down product details like material, sizing, price, how to use it, so you're ready with answers. The more prepared you are, the smoother the live will feel for your audience. Number 2 is to create a hook. The first 30 seconds matter most. Avoid starting with "hey guys" or small talk. Instead, open with a bold statement, a problem your product solves, or a surprising benefit. For example, if you've ever struggled to find a moisturizer that doesn't make your skin oily, this is the one. Your hook should grab attention immediately and make people want to stay. Number 3 is to engage constantly. Treat your live as a two-way conversation, not a lecture. Ask viewers questions, call them out by name, and respond to their comments in real time. This not only keeps people engaged, but also builds trust and community. A live where viewers feel ignored will empty out very quickly. A live where they feel seen will keep growing. Number 4 is to invest in the basics. You don't need a Hollywood production, but you do need clarity. A ring light will ensure people can see you, a tripod keeps your phone stable, and a quiet environment helps your voice come through clearly. These small investments make a big difference in how professional and trustworthy your live feels. Number 5, keep your energy up. Lives often run longer than a typical TikTok video, so maintaining energy is critical. If you sound bored or low energy, viewers are going to tune you out. Stay upbeat, smile, and keep your tone conversational. Think of it like hosting a party. Your energy sets the tone for the room. Number 6 is to promote ahead of time. A great live doesn't just happen spontaneously. Promote it on your TikTok feed, Instagram stories, or even via email. Let your audience know when you'll be live and what they can expect. Give them a reason to show up, like a limited time discount, free shipping, or a first look at a new product. Teasers build anticipation and increase turnout. Number 7 is to repurpose your content. When the live ends, your content shouldn't. Save the recording and cut it into shorter clips for TikTok posts, Instagram Reels, or product demos on your website. One well-run live can turn into a week's worth of content. That maximizes your effort and gives you evergreen material to keep selling long after the event is over. Now, as a bonus tip, create urgency. While not required, adding a sense of urgency helps to drive action. Mention limited stock, special discounts available only during the live, or exclusive bundles viewers can't get elsewhere. Urgency encourages viewers to buy now instead of waiting. Before we wrap up, I just want to say, I know how overwhelming trying to figure out how to sell online can be. There are so many tools, strategies, and just platforms out there, and it's easy to feel stuck. But TikTok live shopping is one of those features that gives you a simple entry point. You don't need a giant ad budget or a full team. You just need your product, your phone, and the willingness to show up. So if you're ready to start selling on TikTok, don't forget to use our link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. This channel is dedicated to helping you build smarter e-commerce stores and showing you the best tools to grow online. If that sounds like something you'd find helpful, make sure to subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.